In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a paper crane or an origami crane. First, you need to use an origami paper or just simply a square paper sheet. If you don't have a square paper sheet, you can use an ordinary printing paper and just fold it like so, then cut the rectangular part in order to have your square paper. Cut this part. Now that you have your square sheet, fold the paper into half, forming a rectangular shape. Then unfold it, then do the same thing on the other half. Do the same procedure again on the other part. Making it a cross crease. After unfolding it on its rectangular shape, fold it diagonally, forming a triangle. Unfold it and do it again on the other side. Then unfold your paper and turn it over. These lines will be your guidelines on making the origami crane. Let the creases meet at the middle. Okay. Gentle, do it with gentleness, forming this shape. Flatten it and make sure that the open bottom faces you. After you have this, fold it into this shape and fold the other flap onto the middle crease, forming it like so. Unfold the crease, then bring the open flap up to this shape. In order to make a shape like this, a diamond shape like this, you must bring the flap up, then let it fold naturally. If you're having a hard time, just go for it. Be careful when you're doing this because several times I get my paper ruined most of the time. Now we have this. Do the same thing on the other side. Folding it. Now I will just is this one. Now, when you're done doing this part, you may now proceed with your diamond. Yeah. After having this diamond shape, let your paper face on this side. See? Or you could even do it on the other way around. Whatever you like. But I prefer it like this. As you can see on this crane, there's this, I don't know what to call this part. This levitated part, I guess. Or this like shell part of the crane. Your paper must face you in this way. See? The hill part of the frame. This is the hill part of the frame. The hill part. Same part. Okay. Now that you have that, fold your how should I fold this? Not for you to step. Okay, I get it. Fine, maybe. Let me try it first. Alright. I fold it like this, so then da-dun, da-dun, da-dun. Okay. Now that I have it, everything will seem so right. Now that alright, I remember it. Fold your paper like so. And do the same thing on the other part. Then do it again. Do it again on the other side of it. Now you have this pointy part. When you achieve this shape, fold it like this, then the other half fold it like this. Ta-da! Bring this bottom part upward, then put it upside down, then do the same process on the other side. After achieving this shape, fold it like so, and on the other side like so. Get this part a bit out, aligning it with this part, or with this line, folded line I mean. Then do the same thing with the other part. Now you have this shape, almost like a crane. Woohoo! Now to make the head of your crane, which part should I use? Maybe I'll use this side, this part. Fold your head like fold the frame's head like this. Okay, see it clearly? I will put my finger over here, open this part, then put my finger over here, then fold it like so, then ta-da! I have my paper crane! Almost like a paper crane! And then flop it swings! Then woot woot woot! I don't know why this part don't open up. To make this open up, you must blow it. Blow this hole. You must blow this hole in order to make the heel part of the crane to pop up. Yeah. Now we have our paper crane.